Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Child Family Community Week 5, Unit 3. So we are just chugging on along with the weeks that seem to be flying by. So let's go over the week's objectives. I find that for some students this might be helpful. So if so, keep on watching, and if not, just go ahead and click on by and click next. So the objectives for this week is to analyze the function of the family. Okay, so we are diving deep into the microsystem of the family. So in reviewing your discussion posts, many of you recognize the impact that the family has on a person's socialization process. So we are really going to look at the different types of families and diverse family settings and look at the transitions that families have. You'll also be able to compare and contrast the role that parents, siblings, and fathers in particular play with family structures, as the chronosystem really has impacted how much interaction mothers, fathers, and other extended family or adopted families have on children. You'll also examine the role of families and how they instill values, customs, and social norms. So that is going to be really interesting. So for this week, you're going to complete the required readings. Last unit, I made them available to you early because I know there's a lot to go through. It seems like there's a lot to go through. But when you break it up, I think it's easier to digest. And I've also created some presentation slides to give an overview of the main points in those readings. I'll have a discussion board assignment, and you'll be completing part 3 of the socialization assignment, where you'll be focusing on social class, which was also brought up quite a bit in your discussion. Finally, you'll take quiz number 2. You just want to click on over to the readings. These are all hyperlinks, as you all are aware. When it says optional, that means you do not have to read it, but I welcome you to read it. It has really good information. And I do touch on some of these points in the reading, so I encourage you to go ahead and read it. And this is a hyperlink for the presentation slides for this particular unit on diverse family structures, values, and culture. Okay, so that's it for this quick little overview of what we're doing for this unit. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me and reach out. Have a great week.